Hello, sixth graders. I just wanted to go through a few things for spelling this week, Unit 32. Starts on page 210. I did put on the Padlet it would be a great idea for you to go on Spelling City and take the pretest for these words. And don't forget to go on at the end of the week and take the final test on Spelling City. All right, looking at the word list for this week, I'm just going to read through them for you. All of these words end in either ance or ence, and that is a suffix that is put on a word to make it a noun. So it's a person, place, or thing. Number 1, performance, experience, appearance, ambulance, attendance, excellence, importance, obedience, inheritance, innocence, clearance, insurance, absence, balance, sequence, distance, residence, instance, silence, and patience. As I'm reading through those words, the only word that may have a little bit of problem for you with the definition would be number 9, inheritance. An inheritance is something that a person would receive from someone after that other person has passed away. Like if someone would leave something to someone in their will, that would be their inheritance. Okay? All right, this page is just sorting with the ending, so that should be easy enough. Let's take a look at each page. There might be a couple things that I can help you with. On page 211, the first section is just to complete the sentence. I will tell you to make this a little bit easier. It says use the underlined words as clues. So for number 1, the goal of blank is to insure you against major losses. Use this word. So the goal of insurance, see how that's related to that word? You'll be able to figure those out with the rest of those then. The next section says identify homophones. First of all, we have to understand what that is. Homophone, we break this into 2 pieces. It means the same, and phone would be sound. So a homophone are words that sound the same, but they have different spellings. So for number 11, patience, you're going to want to spell it the way we are using it in the unit. And then at the bottom, just finding a word for the underlined word. You should be able to handle those then, okay? All right, let's go to the next page. Okay, the next page, which is 212, the first section are analogies. So we want to look at the connection between the 2 words here and then figure out the same connection. So number 1, let's do that together. Sincerity is to honesty. Well, what's the connection between those 2 words? They are synonyms. They mean the same thing. So then we get stability would be the same, mean the same as, and which spelling word would that be? Balance would be the correct answer for that one. So there's some help for you with that. Next one, making inferences. Please read those directions because they give you a very big clue there. I'm going to let you read that yourself. And the bottom section, context clues, figuring out which word goes in which blank, and remembering that you can take all of these words and cross them off the possibilities for the rest of the page. And then page 213 is just making corrections. Make sure when you're spelling these words on the blanks that you are spelling them correctly. That will help you recognize the word when it is spelled correctly and just help improve your spelling in general. Okay? All right, if you have any questions on specifics, please make a note to yourself. And on our meeting on Wednesday night, our Zoom meeting, you can ask me about those then. Okay? All right, good luck with your spelling this week.